All right, let's do this. Redneck ass GoPro, but we're doing it. All right, y'all. Hold on. We're going to go get this 620. We got my fucking cell phone taped up to my forehead on an old headlamp that currently has no batteries. Got a bunch of duct tape and a piece of cardboard. Why is there a dog on my ass? But we're going to go get the 620, and this will be your first time ever going on a tractor ride with us. So, and the way things are going in Minnesota currently, it might be the last one of the season, but well, amazing how we're still able to do this shit even with Corona. But there she is. My fucking favorite tractor right here. Okay, I'll take these sunglasses off so I can see what I'm doing. All right, turn the switch, a little bit of throttle, a little bit of choke. Oh yeah! That's the best damn cold start you've ever heard. Oh yeah, ain't that just beautiful? Ka-tow. All right, let's see if I still know how to drive this thing. Come on, you. Work. There we go. Woohoo! Runs like a top. Doesn't this GoPro look kind of funny? Are they now? All right. Oh, let's see. We'll try third gear. Woohoo! Hell yeah! Take a look